Yeah, no, this is definitely a digital age. You know what I'm saying? Information is out there.
Mm-hmm.
There's all type of new, innovative, creative ways to grow a business. It's almost at this point like there might be a lot of competition, right? And it might be oversaturation, but at the same time, it's like that's what everybody's doing. So if you're not in it, you know what I'm saying? You're kind of shooting yourself in the foot as far as technology goes. You know what I mean?
Absolutely,
So
because people buy into you as a person, so they want to see you. I've had clients that say, "Hey, I looked at your social media. You seem cool. You know, you're a mom. I'm a mom. You know, I like your content. I want to work with you just because you know what I've seen online." I had a client. She was on Big Brother, An Amazing Race.
okay,
Um, yeah, she moved from LA to Birmingham and she found me on social media, wrote me an Instagram
dope.
message, searching a hashtag. She was like, "Hey, I love your content. I saw you're a mom. I definitely want to work with you." And she ended up buying a house. They're living here now
Dope.
and they're actually think about selling and upgrading. So you definitely want to keep a social media presence because if you're out of sight, you're out of mind. You want people to
That's
say,
true.
"Hey, who do I know that sells real estate?" Well, hey, there's this girl, Kristen. She's posted every single day about real estate. You know, you want to be the first person on someone's mind in your particular industry when it comes to posting on social media. You want to keep
Right.
that consistency.
Keep the consistency, market yourself, brand yourself, and then build a reputation on your name. Right. That's
Yes,
the way to go. So
absolutely.